Yo, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We are back here for another bike build. We are continuing our 2002 CR250, call it a bike overhaul, I guess. So basically we have our 2002 CR250 here. As you can see, Justin already got the forks off. The forks have been shipped out to our buddy Matt. They have been redone, fresh seals, fresh oil, ready to go. Oh, by the way, on those, the adjusters are way out of whack. Like, he put them back where they were, but they're way out of whack. If you want to set those to the middle, would be fantastic, okay? Yeah. So anyway, so we got some fresh forks ready to go back on. We have a brand new rear fender here to go on to replace the broken one. We have a new spark plug. We've got some contact cleaner to clean some stuff. We have a carb rebuild kit. We have some tire tubes to change tires out. We've got our Maxima waterproof grease, and we have some blue thread locker and some WD-40. And basically, Justin's going to get to work on this bad boy. What is your plan for the day, sir? Let's just go with that.
Just try to get as much as I can grease, get as much stuff torn apart, and probably tear the carb apart and start looking at that. Other than that, like I said, we're still waiting on a few different things. So I like this movement.
You like the movement?
I like this going on. Yeah, just try to get as much as I can done. I at least want to get the steering stem greased, get the swing arm off, at least get the carb pulled, get the sprocket bolts and rotors, rotor bolts re-Loctited and cleaned up. Hopefully we don't run into any issues, but you know, this is a 2002 dirt bike, so
right.
It'll be fun.
In 3, 2, 1, off we go. So that's going to wrap up another episode number 2 of our CR250 build, revamp, refresh that it needed. So Justin got the whole front end on here, a couple tools to do the bearings on the front wheel. So we're just waiting on, he's going to get those here this week, hopefully. All the cables and everything lubed, everything's running the correct way. He just has to pull that front wheel off, swap the tire, and swap the bearings out next time he's here. He did pull the whole rear end of the bike off here, as you can see, including carb and everything. So he is going to, he needs, again, a couple of tools to do some of that stuff that I don't particularly have right now. He's acquired them over the years, so he's going to get those tools. Anyway, yeah, that's what we're doing. Great job today, buddy. And we're off to the races. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe. Comment down below what we should build next, and we'll see you on the next one.